We are here now at Bridgeman Farm. Yan, nakasuot pa rin ako ng mask. Dito pala tayo.
Hi, this is good. How are you?
Oh, this is the rules and regulations.
Yes, so if everybody can come around here. We just got sweet cherries today.
Okay.
And we actually had a bit of a problem because it rained so hard on Thursday that a lot of them cracked. So we're actually giving people the heat up today because of that. So this
We are
size
information now.
35, today it's 30.
Okay.
This size would normally be 25, today it's 20. This size would normally 20, it's 15 today. And that's for reasonably rounded baskets. If you're having to hold it up to your body and it's falling all over the place, we're going to charge you extra, but just reasonably rounded.
Okay.
And as I say, don't pick peaches, plums, apples, they aren't ready. Some of them have just been sprayed. It's a waste if you pick them when they're not ready. So, this is going to be $30 today.
30, 25.
Today it's
20, okay. What we did this?
Oh, discount today 30, 20, 15.
So which one? Both 20? Just get 220? We just do 20.
Do the 20. One or two? Two. Okay. And before you go out to the orchard, we just want you to remember here.
Yeah, we did already.
There's a little lesson, a safety lesson with the ladder. Oh, there's it. That's Emily. That's Emily.
Perfect, thank you. Thank you.
So we go the other way. Oh, good.
Hey, I'm awesome. How are you? Y'all excited?
Yes.
Great. If you can have right in front of me, great. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Is this everybody's first time here?
First time.
Awesome. Welcome. This is a free lighting with a ladder. Comes around the orchard to help with cherries. We'd just like to go over some safety tips for you guys. First things first, you want to make sure the ladder is in a nice A shape. If the leg's way too far, you can slip up someone beneath you. If it's too far in, you can split it to anything else. So nice straight A shape. When you're on the ladder, do not reach down the cherry.
Yeah.
We don't want that to happen either. If your waist is not going along the top of the ladder, or just don't step up onto the third step. Do not lean the ladders up against the cherry trees. Do not tug off branches. Do not climb the cherry trees to your spring. We don't want that to happen either. When you're on the ladder, don't lean back. The ladder could collapse in. And we don't want that to happen. Does anybody have any questions?
No.
You guys
Okay,
have no
we
questions?
understand.
No?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I can save you on your way. Have fun,
Okay.
guys.
Thank you.
Hi, Mag.
Hi.
First thing we do is we know where is the washroom. So there's two washroom. This Nico. Hello me. Hi, Mag. That's Maggie. And this is the mother. It's Christy.
Oh, there.
And Maggie. So wash your hand first.
Okay, you want to do one?
And next is you have to smell. Let's go. Let's do it. Move. Can we remove now? We are free. Haha. No more mask. Hal, tanggalin mo na yung mask mo. It's my order. Hi. Hi guys.
Just keep filming. You don't have to do hi.
Whoa. It's black. Yeah, the color is black.
Look at the...
Because it's rain, it's something like a little bit
You wanna go fix the...
rust. There's a crack. But something is good. See? Di naman lahat sira. Ba? Oh. Kailangan namin ng ladder para makapili kami ng gandang cherry. Oh. Naulanan kasi 3 days in a row. Kaya ganyan nangyari. Oh. Yan si Maggie.
What if we just have a really strong person hold it?
Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy cow. Mataas din yan ah. Yan, si Nico, maakyat.
Madumi kasi dahil ng ulan.
This is. I want to get the.
So pagka hindi mo maabot, move mo yung ladder.
That is so good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Hey.
Try the one I gave you?
How did those just like fall off?
You can go higher.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Let me taste something.
I know that.
Let me taste. Titingin tayo ng malinis.
Dad, can you just on that?
Yeah?
Ano may isang ladder? Ayun ako na may isang ladder dun. Okay.
Oh. Thank you. In the middle of the trees, I can't even.
Okay, move. Hawakan ko. Yan, si Nico. Go further. Up.
Can't.
Oh. Yun. Ang galing, ang galing. Piliin mo yung walang basag. Kasi naulanan.
Here.
Dito ako nag-aawak. Yan si Nico.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, kunin mo to Maggie. Oh, kasi mami mo naman.
Your mom's... Oh, the camera?
Here. Come here. Pick up. That's ready now.
Ay! Not on my face though. Yeah? Here. Is it filming? Ano? Sayang siya. Huh? No? No. I mean, like, wow.
Yes, look at this.
Ay, yung ilalim niya, no? I can't see the rest. No, I can't see the rest. From reaching point?
Yeah.
Fine. You can move it.
Because it's ano,
Kasi malayo siya. Saka yung iba niya. Oh, that one's a big bunch. Can you reach? No, andun siya eh. Parang nandun magandaan ako. How do they feel? Are they soft? Yeah, they're soft. And crack. Ang daming sira. Sayang. Trek ko. Wala na. Successful. Yay. So good. Mas maliit sana. That one's better. Yeah, Mom's not scared of that one. Yeah.
Yan na yung lagayan ko.
You get it first person.
No, lagayan.
Oh. Yeah, can you go first?
I'm doing like this.
I get bit by something. Where did you put those? Wait, Mom, careful. Can we go on the other side where the areas other
Okay.
Oh.
Yan gonna pick.
Piliin mo lang yan, oh. See, look at that.
Let me turn off muna yan. No, not there, on the other side.
This side?
Yeah.
Naman. Oh.
One
On top?
Ako na.
It's hard. I'm gonna, hold it. I'm gonna do my hair. Still fertilized.
Bayaran na. We're going home. Ba, marami silang nakuha.
Everything with cash?
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you guys just a little bit back because you guys are a bit under full.
Oh, thank you. Let me see, guys. Wow.
Thank you.
See ya.
Bye, thanks. Successful.
Successful.
Okay, the right.